So full-time Kevin Droids is Aberystwyth 2, Kevin Droids 1. I'm here with manager Matthew Bishop. Matt, a very difficult week on and off the field. That's the perfect way to end it.
Yeah, I think the players showed great character. It's never easy when you get beaten heavily, but we've bounced back in style really, and I think we thoroughly deserve this tonight.
As you said, there's a lot of character being shown then, players stuck to their jobs well, against a very difficult side. How pleasing was it to see that how well organised the boys were?
Yeah, it's like everything else. It's all about hard work and discipline, and we showed that tonight. And maybe on another day we could have got a couple more goals as well. But the first goal from Willow was excellent, and Jeff's come on. And I've said this, and we've said this to all our substitutes. You know, you're not there as just to make the numbers up. You're there to come on and finishes for us. And he's obviously come on today and scored that vital goal for us, which has given us the 3 points.
How strong is the character inside the dressing room? It's been easy for heads to drop, and they came back magnificently today.
Well, I think you've seen that today with the result. I think the last time we actually got a result here was about 3 years ago. As I said, it's never an easy place to come, but obviously the lads have dug in today. They've stuck with the game plan. They've been disciplined, and we've created chances, and we've taken two of them that I think we deserved.
And finally, home comforts next up against Airbus. What's it looking like for that game?
Well, again, we've got to prepare. We've got 8 days now, so important thing for us is we get ourselves ready, and we're in the best shape we possibly can do to try and get 3 points for the next game.
Matt, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thanks, mate.